Alright, so I'm going to quickly run through this guide on how to establish an SSHFS connection. And when you SSHFS into another computer, that will basically mirror the entire computer's other directory structure into your own computer. So if I open up File Explorer, and here you can see that it's just my computer. After we get the connection, we should have the other computer's entire directory structure. So to start, we're just going to need to install these two softwares. And we're going to have to install them as admin. So I just grabbed the latest version of each that's not beta, and you're just going to do the same thing for both of the software as shown here. The links should be right here. Just grab the MSI installer and download it. Now once we've downloaded it, we're going to have to install them as admin. So what I'm going to do here is open the Windows PowerShell as admin. And then once we're in here, we just run this command right here. So get this first part of the command, and then you're going to find the file path to the installer, and then just paste it right in here, and then just run this command for both of the softwares listed here. And then once you have both of them installed, you should be good to go and should be able to do an SSHFS connection. You will need to be on the same Wi-Fi. Both computers will need to be on the same Wi-Fi, so we can test that real quick. Just a regular terminal. And it looks like they are on the same Wi-Fi, so we can just run this command. The username doesn't really matter, and then the password is just Jetson. Awesome. So now, as you can see, we have the Jetson's entire file structure mirrored onto our own computer. This means we can view all the files and push changes to them as well. And one of the most powerful things about this connection is that you can open the file structure with an IDE of your choice. So I like to use Cursor, but VS Code works just the same. Basically just go to File, Open Folder, and then most of the important files are right in here, so I'm just going to do that. And that is this right here. And then yeah, you can basically open up any files you want, make changes. If you make any changes and press save, they will be pushed directly to the Jetson. If you use Cursor or any other kind of AI IDE, you can ask it to explain stuff for you. So yeah, I just ran this command, and then it read the files in the directory, and you can even ask it to make edits, and those edits, as soon as the edits are saved, they will be pushed directly to the Jetson. So while I'm here, I'll just do a brief explanation of the packages that we have currently. So we've primarily been focused on the JetRacer ROS package and the RRT exploration package. All these packages, besides these two right here, came with the Jetson as is. We installed these two packages from the official ROS wiki, and we've been using them to use RRT, path planning and frontier selection. And the file that we made ourselves here, it's just kind of combining the navigation stack, the LiDAR, and then the RRT, and just launches them all at the same time. That's going to be this file. So this is basically our senior project right here was launching the rover and having it RRT around to different spots on the map.